Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling to make your social media posts go viral, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to break down how to use SEO and keyword research to boost your traffic and engagement. Many people think SEO is for website and blogs, but it plays a huge role in social media success too. Whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube, right keywords can make your content seen by the right audience. I'll be using the tools like SEMRush, Mangools, Grammarly, InVideo AP, and ClickFunnels to show you the step-by-step process like how to optimize your post. And if you stick till the end, I will share you my secret strategy like how I increased my social media engagement. In that, the first one is understanding SEO for social media. First, let's talk about why SEO matters for social media. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn have search engines inside them. By using the right keywords, hashtags, and descriptions, your content becomes easily discoverable. This helps you get more organic engagement without running ads. Let's start by finding the right keyword research for your content using SEMRush. Go to Keyword Magic tool. Type in a topic like Instagram marketing. Shows the keyword list, search volume, and competition. Pick the best performing keywords and explain why they are good. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. These will give you the best reach. And the second one is using Mangools tool for social media hashtags. Now let's use Mangools to find right hashtags and keywords for Instagram, LinkedIn, and other platforms. Open KW Finder and type in a keyword example like Instagram content strategy. It shows keyword difficulty and trending keywords. Open SERP checker. It shows what type of content ranks for that keyword. Use these keywords in your Instagram captions, YouTube description, and LinkedIn posts for better reach. And the next thing to do is improving your content with Grammarly. Now that we have our keywords, let's write high quality content using Grammarly. Open Grammarly and paste the sample Instagram caption. It shows how to improve clarity, grammar, and engagement. It explains the importance of clear and engaging writing in social media. Grammarly's tone detector helps you match your brand voice for social media posts. And next thing to do is creating engaging social media videos through InVideo AP. Social media posts with videos get more engagement than text or images alone. Let's create a quick video using InVideo AP. Open InVideo AP, choose a template, add text overlays with keywords. Show how to use animations and stock footage and export the video. Use keywords in your video title and caption for better ranking on Instagram and YouTube. So that's how you use SEO tools to boost your social media content. SEMRush and Mangools for keyword research, Grammarly for better caption and description, and InVideo AP for eye-catching videos. Now it's your turn to comment below what tool you use for social media SEO. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more marketing tips.